Best Sport Motorcycle for Beginners Kawasaki ER-6. The world of sport motorcycling is a thrilling realm filled with adrenaline, excitement, and the promise of endless adventures. For beginners who are captivated by the sport bike allure, choosing the right motorcycle is a pivotal decision. The Kawasaki ER-6, celebrated for its balance of power, versatile performance, and beginner-friendly features, emerges as the ultimate sport motorcycle for those starting their journey into this exhilarating world. With its accessible performance, sporty aesthetics, and rider-centric attributes, the ER-6 offers the perfect platform for beginners to embark on their journey of skill development, excitement, and sport riding without feeling overwhelmed. Balanced performance and accessible power. At the heart of the Kawasaki ER-6 lies a 649cc parallel twin engine that strikes a harmonious balance between power and manageability. This engine delivers ample performance to savor the thrill of sport riding while ensuring a manageable learning curve for beginners. Sporty design and aesthetic appeal. The ER-6 boasts a sporty design that mirrors its larger sportbike counterparts. Its dynamic lines, sharp fairings, and aggressive styling elements embody the essence of sportbike excellence, appealing to riders seeking a dynamic and visually striking motorcycle. Novice riders not only experience the thrill of riding but also revel in the ER-6's sporty aura. Ergonomic comfort and rider-focused layout. Despite its sporty appearance, the ER-6 is designed with rider comfort in mind. It offers a well-balanced riding position that ensures comfort during both spirited rides and long journeys. The mid-height handlebars, accommodating seat, and neutral footpeg position contribute to a rider-focused setup that enhances the overall riding experience. Responsive handling and nimble agility. The Kawasaki ER-6 is celebrated for its responsive handling and nimble maneuverability, making it an excellent choice for novice riders. Its lightweight chassis and agile characteristics empower riders to confidently tackle twisty roads, city streets, and varying road conditions. Safety features and learning confidence. Safety is paramount for beginner riders, and the ER-6 often comes equipped with features like optional ABS, anti-lock braking system, for enhanced braking control and stability. These safety features instill confidence in novice riders as they learn to harness the motorcycle's performance. Urban commutes and weekend thrills. The ER-6's versatility extends beyond spirited rides. Novice riders can seamlessly transition between daily urban commutes and weekend escapes, all while enjoying the motorcycle's sporty and adaptable performance. Community and rider connection. Enthusiasts of the Kawasaki brand and the ER series create a welcoming community that warmly embraces beginners. Joining this community offers aspiring riders access to shared experiences, valuable insights, and connections with fellow riders who share a passion for sport riding and the ER-6's sport bike attributes. Skill growth and riding mastery. The Kawasaki ER-6 encourages skill development as beginner riders build confidence. Riders can progressively explore the motorcycle's capabilities, refine their riding techniques, and fully immerse themselves in the world of sport riding. Budget-friendly sport riding. The ER-6 offers an affordable entry point into the world of sport motorcycles. Its reasonable price, manageable maintenance costs, and brand reputation ensure that riders can enjoy sport riding without depleting their finances. Conclusion. The Kawasaki ER-6 exemplifies Kawasaki's commitment to providing the ultimate sport motorcycle for beginners. With its accessible performance, sporty design, and dedication to rider comfort and safety, the ER-6 offers an immersive gateway to the thrill of sport riding without overwhelming novice riders. By choosing a Kawasaki ER-6 as their first sport motorcycle, beginners embark on a journey characterized by growth, skill enhancement, and the embrace of a community that shares their passion for sportiness, exhilaration, and the excitement of conquering the open road on two wheels.